is April 1st. As y'all can see, I'm still wearing my glasses because I still have my damn sty. And I actually went to the doctor today because I can't hear on my left ear. And yeah, so it came out that I have a freaking ear infection, and my sty is due to allergies. So both allergies and both ear infection and sty are coming from allergies. So yeah, allergies is really killing me right now. I just got my nails done, perfect for Easter, y'all. Easter is on Sunday. I actually broke this middle finger, and yeah, so I went ahead and go get it done. And now I'm in front of Giant Eagle to get my prescription. So basically they give me an antibiotic and ibuprofen. I could never say that right. Yeah, because I'm really in pain. I can't really sleep at night. By the way, y'all, I dyed my hair red, and I'm not sure if I'm really feeling it because it's not really the red that I wanted it to be. But I don't know if I really want to redo it again because this is the third time of me dyeing my hair, and I'm just tired of keep dyeing my hair. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go get my prescription. What else I gotta do today? I really have nothing to do, except I have to edit so I can post a big video by tonight or tomorrow. But it's already like 2:32, so I don't know, we'll see if I can do a power edit thing or whatever. But I have to go to the grocery store. I know Giant Eagle is already a grocery store, but I'm actually gonna go to the Asian market because I need to find food for tomorrow. I can't eat meat for tomorrow because tomorrow is Good Friday. It is cold, it is windy.
You have a survey at the bottom of the receipt, pen first.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. See ya. Have a good day today.
You too.
Date of birth? Yours is 1981.
So it is 1 o'clock. Let's start filming because I actually stood up last night. Oh wow, I stayed up last night because I was editing so I can post a vlog today. Today's Friday. I don't know what date, April 2nd, I think. Yeah, I think it's April 2nd. Forgot my glasses, y'all. But I'm about to go get some coffee and actually get breakfast. I wanted some avocado toast, but we don't have avocado toast. Well, I have toast, but I don't have avocado. So today's Good Friday. I'm not supposed to eat meat, but I wonder if I'm allowed to eat eggs. Like, is that considered? I don't know. I'm just not gonna eat it, just to be on the safe side. I really wanted some omelet today, but obviously you can't have eggs. Well, I probably can have eggs. I just can't have like meat, and I don't like plain. Not a fan of plain omelet. Yeah, look at my hair, y'all. Like, I dyed it, and the red is still on my scalp. Hi, can I please get a medium caramel iced coffee with cream and sugar?
Medium caramelized coffee, cream and sugar. Okay, anything else?
Yes, can I also get an avocado toast?
and one avocado toast.
Yeah,
Anything else?
and then can I also get a chocolate glazed donut?
Okay, one chocolate glaze. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Yes, that's on the page.
Thank you. Alright guys, so I just came back from Walmart and stupid TikTok, y'all, made me buy stuff, but I do need it though. So I got this little containers. It's actually not this one, but it's a 3-pack containers from Walmart. I only need, this is actually perfect because I only need 3 of them. I don't need that much, but I'm gonna use them for my sugar, my flour, and all that stuff. And then I'm gonna do a quick little haul for you guys. And then I got this little blender thingies. I got a small one because I hate using my big one because I hate washing them. So I think this one will be, you know, easier to wash and stuff. I'm actually thinking of making juices and stuff. Like, I don't know, for some reason I was craving for some what do you call that, Smoothie King. Oh my god, yeah, Smoothie King. And I was just like, where I live now from Smoothie King is a little bit further. It's not that far, it's probably like 10 minutes away, but I'm just being lazy. So I got some stuff for some birria. I'm gonna make some birria tomorrow. I really want some tacos. I was gonna get some tacos today, but I was just like, you know what, I'll just make my own birria. Oh shoot, did I really just do that? Oh, why did I do that? So I meant to get red, what do you call them, that tomato paste, and I got 2 chipotle peppers. You know what, whatever, they're like $1 or less than $1. I got tortillas, I got avocados so I can make avocado toast. I got this juice, y'all, pineapple mango. That sounds so bomb. They have different kinds. They have what do they have? They have Caribbean one, they have like strawberry and peach and all that stuff, and I was like, let me try the pineapple mango. It sounds so good. I got milk for my shake. What else did I got? I got chips, you know, snacks and stuff. And then obviously I got frozen strawberry and banana. I was gonna get this this one has like peaches, pineapple in it, but I really want some bananas. And then what else is in this bag? Got cilantro, got cheeses, and obviously meat. And that's all I got. Only the fun stuff is the containers and the blender. So yeah, I'm gonna put this away, and then I'm gonna wash this container so I can start putting my flours and my sugar and stuff like that on this. Cause y'all, like, my sugar is literally in like the, you know when you buy like a Domino sugar, you have like a container and stuff. Yeah, so it's on these. That's too ghetto.
Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look better than all the girls that you knew before. Had your chance, but I'm not playing anymore. Come through, get your bags, let them at the door. Silly boy, silly boy, silly boy. Feeling good, change my hair, and you can't ignore.
Alright guys, so taking a break. And it's really a mess in my room right now, but I had to go out again and I had to go get more bins because my 2 bins that I usually have, yeah, I have so much winter clothes, y'all. Like, this is ridiculous, but I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, so that's first bin right there, second bin, third bin, and fourth bin. Excuse my bra, but I might not use that fourth bin. I might actually use that for something else, but yes. And then I'm gonna take off my purses up there. I got this little storage thing, the storage thingies, so hopefully it will work, and then I can just put it under my bed. But yeah. All right, honestly, y'all, who needs this much of clothes? Like, I'm trying to find space. By the way, y'all, this is my my donation pile, which is, I'm really doing bad. I seriously need to donate more clothes, but I just can't let go. It's so hard for me to let go. But literally, I was expecting not to use that bin, but obviously I'm using it. And right over there is like 2 full bins, and then this one is also full. So I put all my bags in this little organizer that I bought from Walmart, and then I put them under my bed. And then yeah, this side over here is gonna be my boyfriend's side, and this is gonna be my side. I don't even know where the hell am I gonna put our shoes. I think I'm gonna have to buy like those storage bin from yeah. It's about to be like 9 o'clock and I still hasn't dyed my hair, obviously. Good thing I don't have to work until like 3 o'clock tomorrow, so I have the whole night to do it. But yeah, I'm really stressing out right now because I have a vision of like what I want to do, but then at the same time, like, I feel like it's not gonna work. But I'm really trying so hard to be positive. Hopefully it will work, but if not, I'm gonna have to rethink of something. But it's gonna work, y'all. It's definitely gonna work. All right, guys, so I just finished doing my closet. It is actually 10 o'clock and I'm done for today because I need to dye my hair and I need to wash my hair. The only reason why I want to do this tonight is because it's my wash day and it's just easier, honestly, to do this on my wash day. So I'm mixing everything right now. The dye that I'm using is the L'Oreal Technique High Color, and this is in magenta. I bought 2 of them. And the salon volume that I'm using is 30 because I really have a dark hair.
Beauty queen, skinny jeans. Didn't eat her dinner just so she could fit a dream. Drinking in compliments, but they made her hungrier with every binge. Her mirror was a warden. Thinking behind bars, light hair and a light heart, until she knew it wasn't. Until I broke her free. keep bouncing in a piece. Looking at her round face, brown hair, yeah, I like her better than the girl that was perfect. I see her soul in focus, growing so much better than the girl that was perfect. No shit, I like me better, I like me better, better than the girl that was perfect. I like me better, I like me better, better than the girl that was perfect. Took all the pieces of me I've been mean to, and mended them whole with love. Fed every part of my mind with that good, of thinking I'm enough. My body rounded, just like I planned it, giving it space even on days I don't feel at home. Baby, I'm not what I was then. Don't see a perfect ten, but I see confidence. Looking at her round face, brown hair, yeah, I like her better than the girl that was perfect. I see her soul in focus.
I never showed you guys how my hair looks. So this is how red it got, and I'm actually satisfied about it. This is actually the second day of not washing my hair. So yeah, totally forgot to vlog the other day, but I'm actually running errands right now. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna do the rest on the next vlog, since I'm doing stuff right now to before I go to VA this weekend, and I will probably put that on my May vlog. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, all right, bye guys.